kasi nga may caucus kami on the bills, or not the bills, well, yes, the important pending bills, but the chairmanships of the different committees, and then also on the impeachment process. I mentioned this in my FB Live yesterday, and that's why we were there meeting, and then the Deputy Secretary came to tell us that the impeachment complaint was on the way. So that was happening nung nagkaroon ng putukan. So like I said, with what I experienced inside the office, kasi by the time na lumabas ako, wala nang putukan, and what I saw in the videos, it would have been so horrifying. One of my staff, si Claire, my longtime staff, she's been with me since 2004. She was outside because a lot of the staff were just waiting outside the office of the Senate President kasi hindi naman kasya lahat inside. Wala naman kaming alam na gulo na mangyayari. So, syempre, nandun lang sila sa labas, nag-aantay. And so, when she got in the car with me, when we were finally going home at midnight, doon niya lang nakwento sa akin na nandun sila sa labas, tapos nag-holding hands na sila nung staff ni Senator Lauren kasi nagputukan na, and this is what people experience, which I never thought would happen in a government institution.